Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about the NTILE function in Snowflake. The NTILE function in Snowflake is used to divide an dataset into a specific number of approximately equal group or tiles. It's assign a rank to each row within a partition based on the number of tiles specified. This can be particularly useful for distributing data evenly across a specific number of buckets for analysis or reporting purpose. The syntax of an NTILE function is very simple. Here you can write here NTILE function, then within a bracket number of bucket do you want to use, then over, then partition by clause, this is the optional clause, then order by clause, this is the mandatory keyword. So let's understand by demo in Snowflake. Here is the Snowflake web UI and here I am using free trial Snowflake accounts. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up if you find this video helpful. I will put all this code in description box. You can copy from there and do practice. So let's understand this NTILE function. Here I am creating table cells with this structure. So let's execute. Here table is created. Let's insert sample data into this sales table. Here is 8 record inserted. Let's validate. You can see here the 8 record inserted into this table. Now here I am using NTILE function and here I am selecting sales ID and sales amount from sales table and here use NTILE function within a bracket we put 4. We want to group into 4 group. So over here we do not use partition by clause, then order by clause, here sales amount as a tiles from sales table. So let's execute and understand. Here is 8 records, so it's divided into 4 group. Here 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 4. We want to divide into 4 partitions, so we write here NTILE function, then within a bracket 4 order by sales amount. According to this order we divide data into 4 groups. Okay, we can also use partition by clause. So we want to divide this data set into 2 groups. So here I am selecting sales ID, sales amount, customer name from sales and partition by customer name. So let's execute and you can see here there is 2 records in for customer Bob's. So 1 and 1, Cherry 1 and 1. Here alias is 4 records, so it's divided into 2 partition according to customer, according to this order and partition by customer name. So 1 1 and 2 2. Okay, let's insert one more records and now I want to divide this into 4 groups. Then you can see here the first group is record 3, then 2 2, then again 2 2 groups. Here is 2 records for this second group, 2 records for third group and so on. If I insert one more record and divide into 4 groups, then you can see here 3 records for first group and 3 records for second group, then 2 records for third group and 2 records for fourth group. Okay, because it's divided equally approximate. Okay, so that's all about NTILE function in a Snowflake. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.